Potluck pizza enchiladas. Let me just say, absolutely one of the best dishes you'll ever take anywhere. A pound of hamburger. We're going to make this a meat lover's dream. Now I've got some pepperoni that I got out of the deli. It is so good. I just want to eat it by itself. So I'm going to cut probably about 10-15 slices. Okay, we're just going to kind of cut it up. We want to be able to bite-size this. We don't want it all the filling to come out. You know when you eat something and all the filling comes out? We don't want that. We want it all to stay in and we get a bite of everything with it. So we're going to just kind of dice up our pepperoni a little bit. That smells good. That's some good. That right there is delicious. So good. I'm going to set that to the side. Now we're going to cut up a little bit of red onion because that's what I like on my pizza is red onion. And I don't put a lot. It's entirely up to you how much red onion you want to use. And I like mine fine. In tiny pieces. And I'm going to throw mine right in the pan with our hamburger. And you don't have to do that, but I just like mine a little bit softer. And this was a 90 lean because I didn't want it too greasy in my dish. So I have just a little bit of bell pepper, onion, and tomatoes. That's all that's in here. We're going to put just a little bit in. We don't want a lot. There's no celery or anything. This is just onions, peppers, and a little bit of tomato. That's all that's in here. And so I put in about a couple tablespoons. I love bell pepper on my pizza so much. I love tomatoes on my pizza so much. I don't mind onion if they're really teeny tiny. Okay, now we're going to put about half of our pepperoni in. We're going to give half of it a little crisp. Now you can use whatever kind of pizza sauce you love. My son loves this. He said, Mom, you got to try it. So we're going to try it. We're going to put in half of this. We're not going to put all of it in. Just about half. That's it. Now we're going to give this some flavor. Okay, now we're going to put in, we want to do this kind of last. I want to put in about a tablespoon of garlic. Now I love garlic a lot. So if you want to ease up on it, that is okay. Now I'm going to put in a tablespoon of oregano. I love oregano too. So if you want to do half, that is up to you, but I love flavor. Now we're going to put in a bag of mushrooms, and these will shrink down. This is a 10-ounce size. My husband loves mushrooms, and I'm making this for him tonight. So we're making a meat lover's pizza. So we're going to use, you can use canned mushroom if you want, but I'm going to use these frozen ones. So we put a whole bag of 10-ounce mushrooms. We're just going to stir it around. And I like these frozen. They're going to give a little bit, and I put these in last to give it just a little bit of moisture. because it is kind of a dry sauce, and the mushrooms, the frozen mushrooms, are going to give it a little bit more moisture inside of this sauce. And you can leave out the mushrooms if you like. But this is for my husband tonight. I am making him this because he loves it. You guys, what I'm fixing to tell you is fixing to be mind-blowing. I thought I had bought flour tortillas. I did not. So I'm going to have to turn this off and run to the store. It's only 5 minutes away. I can be back in 6 minutes. Me, myself, and I. Let me run to the store. I can't believe it. I thought I brought them. I really did. I thought I had them. Silly me. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, I can't believe it. I really went grocery shopping last night, and I honestly thought I had put them in my cart. I don't know. How many have ever done that? I can't believe it. I'm back. Tired, but let me go wash my hands. Okay, I turned on my pizza mixture. It looks good. Okay, I need to preheat my oven to 400 degrees. You heard me right, 400 degrees. Okay, let's open up these. Tortillas. I got 2 packs just in case. Okay, I've got my casserole dish here, and I'm going to spray the bottom with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, I've got my extra pepperoni, and I've got some sauce. We're going to put just a little bit, about 1/4 of this jar, just enough to cover the bottom. Just like that. Okay, we're going to turn down our pizza mixture. Okay, we're going to take a heaping. We're going to take some, put right in here, some of our mixture. Okay, we're going to take some of our cheese and just put it right on. Make sure we cover it in our cheese. And we're just going to roll it just like that. We're going to put it in our casserole dish. Okay, we're going to take the rest of our pizza sauce, and we're just going to kind of lightly put it on our tortillas. Just like that. Now you can add more sauce if you want, but I like my tortillas to be just a little bit crispy. Okay, now we're going to take it and we're going to put some cheese on top. We're going to take that little bit of pepperoni. Remember the pepperoni that we had off? We're going to just kind of put it on top. Kind of lay it out. Little tiny pieces. Normally I would put black olives on the top of this, but I don't have any. And I'm not running back to the store to get any, but we're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. That's it. All right, guys, about 10 minutes in, my cheese looks a little like it might burn if I leave it in there another 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this lid right over it. So everything is already cooked. I just want those tortillas to be heated all the way through. So I'm going to pop this on for the last 10 minutes of the cook. Some days it just works that way. Some days it takes forever for the cheese to melt, and some days it melts so quick your head spins. Okay guys, I'm going to share with you the mess that I made yesterday. Let's just get into it. These are my 3-ingredient brownies. They weren't good. I'm going to have to really work on the recipe, okay? They weren't good. A cinnamon roll casserole. Disgusting. I know it looks like we eat it. We didn't. We just had a lot of samples. We all tasted it and said, yuck. This is real life. This was my video yesterday. And that's why we're back here today shooting another one. This is our potluck pizza enchiladas. We got to try it. What I like is when I put light sauce on it and cook the enchiladas in the pizza sauce, you don't get soggy. You don't get soggy tortillas. Look at that cheese. That's what I like. I don't want my enchiladas soggy. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is heaven. This is pizza enchiladas. This is absolutely wonderful. All that cheese. All that meat, the pepperoni, the hamburger, perfection. This is great to take to a potluck. Make for your family. Oh my gosh. So good. You are the best audience on YouTube. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. You guys have to make this pizza enchiladas. You're gonna love it. They will be a hit with your kids, saying they're having a sleepover or slumber party. Make them. They'll love them. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day.